Hope you guys like that little intro. I haven't vlogged in a while. Happy 2025, everybody. And guess how many miles I have on the truck? You can see it right there, 33,177. Yes, I passed 33K. Crazy. I've been driving this like nuts. But lo and behold, I found out that my 6.2 liter V8 could be in huge trouble. From what I understand and watching other YouTube videos, that the 6.2 liter has issues, the L87, due to lifter and the push rod. So I have been carefully monitoring this, so I don't want to wreck this. I want to make sure I give it the right acceleration, wanted to give it the right proper things. I want this to last more than 60,000, and I don't want to give it some issues. So that's what I'm trying my best not to get myself into a pickle. So, but overall, I would say that this truck has been a workhorse. I have no issues with it lately. They had one minor issue. It was an AC compressor issue. Thank goodness I had the bumper-to-bumper warranty on it, and I got that fixed. And the funny story about this, when I had this fixed, we had a major hurricane come in. Yes, Hurricane Milton came by to Tampa and wrecked the place. So, yes, I'm alive. I'm fine. Everything's good. So, otherwise I wouldn't be vlogging if I'm dead. Yeah, jokes aside, but people lost their life in reality. I mean, and people lost their businesses. I haven't seen any improvements going on, especially with all the things like with the, what is it, amphitheater, and also some of the stuff, the sign has just been down and all that, but it's almost like a few months, but we'll slowly surely get there for it. But overall, everything's fine. I think this one, my truck has been running fine. See, there's the amphitheater right there. If you guys can see it, it was a lot of damage on it, so they removed the tarp on the top of it. So, yeah. Slowly but surely we're getting back to normal. But it's getting 18 miles to the gallon right now. I've been taking it easy lately because I don't want to kill my engine. But so far, so good. It's been great. Yeah, you see something in the back over there on my mirror. I put an American flag on, like, what would you say? Those, stickers, window stickers on it. So that's what I put, an American flag window sticker. I like it. I put some other stuff. I have some plans for the truck soon. I'm gonna have to talk with General Motors about it. Oh my god, miscommunication. And we got a traffic jam. All right, giggity giggity. But hope everyone is doing well. So much major news has been taking place now, especially with the engines blowing out and all that. It's a potential that there could be a potential 2027 next-gen Silverado Sierra coming soon. I'm going to trade this car actually soon. So that's why I'm trying to be very careful about it. That's why I'm being very kind to it. And not do too much on it. So I want to enjoy the most of it. Don't be bring too much shenanigans. Oh my god, there might be there's a kind of a special livery over there. I kind of missed it. Whatever, things happen for a reason. It's supposed to be there, but oh well. Sometimes you don't get what you want in life. Yeah, it's 15. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. Shoot. Where's that? Shoot, it's already here. It's already gonna land. Crap. So when is it gonna depart? Yeah, I'm supposed to see this aircraft. We're starting to get this 787 and all the other stuff, but it's gonna land anyway. So expect that, but you know, expect the unexpected. But it's a congratulations error thing. So it'll be here 12 minutes. I'll be there in the next 20 minutes. So, but someone's got into a crash. Did this? Looks like a chase. Uh-oh. Someone's getting... Oh boy. Yeah, happy 2025. We got a new administration involved, and most likely we're gonna see some changes with this EPA shenanigans. Hooray! No more cafe standards. No more of these. Oh yeah. In other news, no EV mandate. Hooray! I don't like that EV mandate. However, there's a few electric cars I like. I saw the Sierra EV. It's a very good-looking vehicle, and I am slowly mushing up to the Hummer EV. I'm slowly mushing up to it, but that doesn't change the fact that you shouldn't force people to drive an EV. It should be freedom of choice. We live in America. It's a First Amendment thing. You should not be forcing people to take EVs. You violated the Amendment 1. You don't do the violation of the First Amendment. You don't do that stuff. And if you guys are in other countries, yes, we have amendments in the Constitution. It is freedom of expression. When you put a mandate, you violate that. You don't do that. Mandates are illegal. So, thank God that the EV mandate is sayonara. It needed to be done. The executive order came out. And now we are finding out all sorts of shenanigans taking place in the government. But I don't want to get into that. I'll probably save that to another channel that I am going to be working on. I've been active on my aviation channel lately. If you haven't been following me, please follow that. I'm doing my best on this auto channel to start promoting a little bit more. But the thing is, though, YouTube has changes, and I don't know whether it's for the best or the worst or whatever's going on. I don't know what the direction is. My point is like, if you enjoy the thing, go out and watch it and share it with other people. Go ahead, and then we'll try to promote it as best as we can. So yeah, that's my thing with what's going on. I'm on adaptive cruise control on sport mode. Isn't that lovely? I'm just gonna enjoy the cruise on this one. Eventually I'm gonna brake. I wonder when the departure time of that jet is. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna take off the adaptive cruise control. Guess I'm gonna go manual on this one. Yeah, I had to fill up gas earlier. That's why you saw the intro of the gas station. So I needed to put some gas. I was driving like almost close to 80 miles left in the tank. That's ridiculous. It could handle, like, well, it's a 24-gallon fuel tank on this truck, but the MPG is pretty substantial. Like, the highest is 19 MPG. I think it could go to 22. It depends on how you drive, and this is my topic about MPGs. With that government thing with the cafe standard going to 50 MPG. Here's the thing. It is not about the V8 engines. It's not about this whole IC engines not meeting the standard. The issue with the MPG deal is it's how you drive your vehicle. It's just how you drive. If you drive like a jerk, your MPG is gonna go down. It will do that. It's just factual. I'm gonna do a demonstration probably in a next video. Probably do like a 1-year review, but this is like a little snippet of what's the call. Sorry, I was sick over the weekend. But it's the fact of the matter is that people need to understand how to properly drive their cars. That's just the truth. MPG is tied to your driving behaviors. That's how you know when you're actually driving well. Yeah, I just hit 20 mpg right now, so I'm just carefully cruising along. But let's just be factual about what's the reality of things, because government regulations don't tell us how to run things, okay? The government shouldn't just put the rules. I get their point. Like, you need to make sure that vehicles are fuel efficient, and it needs to be done. However, putting regulations on stuff is just unacceptable. You don't do that. It's just uncalled for. And in putting that strict MPG at this certain timeline, that's just unrealistic. Let's just be factual about it. You don't put unrealistic MPGs on unrealistic times. It will take time to change these MPGs. It takes some technology. See, the real issue behind this L87 issue is the active fuel management, and also the dynamic fuel management, and also the cylinder deactivation. It will ruin the thing. Here's another issue. If you have this automatic stop-start feature, turn the damn thing off. This thing will kill your engine. So if you have that auto stop feature, start-stop feature, turn it off. It's no point. Don't ruin your car. It's a give or take for this one. Me, personally, I know for a fact you'll ruin a few things. Your starter and your lifters. There's your problem there. So I'm not a fan of the auto stop start feature because it ruins your engine. So that's my little tangent rant about this MPG stuff, and also the CAFE standards and these EPA rules. And EPA is going for an overhaul, so it needs to make some changes. Oh my god, I'm in a tough position. Sorry, man. Yeah, it's toughies. That's a big dually right there. Rolling on coals. Oh, another thing. Hopefully we don't need to see any more issues with the EPA going against these diesel trucks with their defeat stuff. I mean, seriously, why is the EPA fining companies because they have defeat devices for their diesel? Leave it alone. I get why they're doing the defeat thing, because it's a power thing. I mean, big deal. That's their car. If they want to destroy it, so be it. Stop telling people what to do. This is in California, so pretty much most of the stuff what you're seeing with these EPA standards, MPG standards, EV mandates, it's all rooted from, and I don't like pointing fingers, but this is the exceptional answer for this one. California's rules. One state cannot dictate the whole country. California has no right to tell other states what to do because they want to implement their ideology. They don't run the country. So this EPA standard is full of hogwash. So don't bring in dumb rules like that. It just doesn't make any sense. That's when you own a vehicle, it's your problem, not anyone else's problem. You screw it up, it's your fault. It's called personal responsibility for your own actions. Okay? Do I believe that the environment can be harmed? Yes. There are certain chemicals that is harmful. Lead is harmful. CFCs are harmful. It ruins the environment. It ruins those things. Fluoride, drinking fluoride in your water is terrible. They say it's good, but it's actually causing problems to you. I have an issue with that. Oh my god, please tell me he blew an engine. God dang, man. That's a Yukon Denali. So that's why I'm taking it easy on the road right now. 19 mpg right now. Nice and peaceful on the roads. That plane already landed. I missed it. Whatever. But yeah, California has no right to tell us what to do. That is their problem. It is their it is the car owner's responsibility to make those decisions, not anyone else's. They shouldn't tell us what to do. That's just the fact. That is just major facts right there. Oh man, that was kind of gnarly right there. I'm just gonna keep it cool right here. Yeah, look at right now, it's like 20.9 mpg. It's gonna go to 21 right now. Because this is just how I'm driving. Say hello to that new updated version of the Yukon Denali right there. I actually really like, I seen that new Yukon Denali in the Texas State Fair. It's much better now. You know how I know it's updated? Look at those tailpipes. Those are square tailpipes right there, the quad exhaust. Those things are cool. I like the circular one, but I'm giving an exception to those square tailpipes. They're kind of good. I don't mind it. So, and that's what I would like to put on my Sierra, put some quad pipes on it. I'm still deciding what to do. No definitive plans or anything like that, but I mean, I could say that I like the design, I like the update on it, and they changed the interior completely, which is good. So it needs to be changed. So I'm gonna do some spotting. Check out my other channel, enjoy the spotting video, and then I will be right back. We're gonna be returning soon.